Welcome back and good afternoon. My name is Angela Odoms-Young. I am an associate professor and director of the Nutrition, Obesity, and Health Equity Research Laboratory in the Department of Kinesiology and Nutrition at the University of Illinois at Chicago. I also serve as the associate director for research and education in the Office of Community Engagement and Neighborhood Health Partnerships. As well, I'm the co-chair of the planning committee for this workshop. We're joined again by Doctors Carlos Crespo and Stephanie Silvera, our moderators for the sessions earlier today. And then we have two additional members of our workshop planning committee, Carol Byrd-Bredbenner and Melissa Simon. Dr. Byrd-Bredbenner is a distinguished professor of nutrition and nutritional sciences and the graduate program director at Rutgers University. And Dr. Simon is the George H. Garner Professor of Clinical Gynecology, as well as the Vice Chair of Research in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Northwestern University of Feinberg School of Medicine. She is also the founder and director of the Center for Health Equity Transformation and the Chicago Cancer Health Equity Collaborative. And the bios of the planning committee can be found under the meeting materials on the workshop webpage. So during this final session of the planning committee, we're going to dig deeper into our topics around structural racism, biased mental models, and then we're going to follow up with a moderated discussion and audience Q&A. So you can type your questions in the chat box, including the individual that you want to direct the questions to, or if you want to direct questions to the panel overall. And then the last portion near the end of the session will focus on that Q&A, and then we will adjourn the workshop session. So this is focused on the planning committee reflections. And so first, each member of the planning committee will give a brief reflection of today's workshop. And we're going to start with Dr. Byrd-Bredbenner. Carol, are you ready? I'm going to turn it over to you. So each member will have about 5 minutes for their reflection, and then we'll go into detail and have a robust discussion around these issues, and then Q&A. So I'm going to turn it over to you, Carol.